Ready to stack your FC Mobile 26 coin stash without spending a dime? First up, let's dive into the reliable stream of revenue daily challenges. Head over to your main menu, find the Daily Challenges tab, and complete every task you see. These are straightforward objectives, often involving scoring goals, making assists, or winning matches, and they reward you with a consistent flow of coins, plus valuable player packs that can also be sold for coins if you don't need the players. Next, we'll explore the exciting world of events. FC Mobile 26 consistently rolls out special events, many of which offer substantial coin rewards for participation and progression. Keep an eye on the Events tab for new opportunities, whether it's a themed event or a seasonal promotion. Actively engaging with these will significantly boost your coin earnings. Now, for the players who like to get a little strategic, let's talk about playing the market. This is where smart trading can really pay off. Access the Players tab, and then the Transfer market. Observe player prices, identify players who are undervalued and buy them, planning to sell them later when their price increases due to demand or event requirements. Don't be afraid to experiment with selling players from your own club that you aren't using. Look for opportunities to complete specific player requirements in events or daily challenges by purchasing them at a lower price and then selling them for a profit after fulfilling the task. Patience is key here. Buy low, sell high, and watch your coin balance grow organically. By consistently completing daily challenges, actively participating in events, and employing smart trading strategies in the transfer market, you can build a powerhouse FC Mobile 26 team without ever opening your wallet. Happy gaming and happy coin collecting.